Hello, welcome to the Product Manager Minute. My name is Lucas Nuss, WAGO's Product Manager for Marking and Tools. Today I want to introduce you to WAGO's new tool bags. These bags come in two convenient sizes and can be paired with our L-Box to increase storage if needed. Both high-quality bags come with multiple storage areas, zippers, and Velcro to keep your tools safe. They also have a handle and shoulder strap for easy mobility. The smaller bag is perfect for carrying around just the tools needed for the job, while the larger bag is big enough to store the entire marking system with any accessories you may need as well. With the ability to attach our L-Box to the bottom of the bags, you can conveniently carry things such as 221s, ferrules, terminal blocks, or anything else you may need while working on your project. These are ideal for any field technician or panel shop employee who needs to be mobile with their tools. These bags offer a high degree of mobility, all while staying neat and organized. Help increase productivity by not having to search for the right tool in the shop anymore with WAGO's tool bags. For more information, click the link in the text. Thank you.